In a bid to expedite the process, a new bill is now being pushed in the House of Representatives, which seeks to empower the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, to directly file cases against individuals involved in corruption. Our Mela Lismoras reports.
To speed up the process, the House of Representatives is now pushing for a measure that seeks to grant the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, the power to directly file cases against personalities involved in corruption. At present, the ICI can only issue recommendations to the Office of the Ombudsman or Department of Justice. According to Navotas City Representative Toby Tiangco, under his proposed House Bill number 5699, the ICI will be transformed into an independent commission against infrastructure corruption. And aside from giving it the authority to file cases, he is also pushing to expand its capacity.
Sa tingin ko, ako lang yung nag-file na may personal experience na nakapunta na doon sa ICI ng 2 beses, no? I don't think anyone who has filed has been invited as a resource person of the ICI. So talagang may first-hand information ako doon sa mga kakulangan nila. Kaya tulad ng sinabi ko, pinanood ko muna, tinignan ko, inobserbahan ko, at kung ano yung mga kakulangan, yun ang binigay natin na powers, no?
Other lawmakers have also filed separate measures aimed at strengthening the powers of the ICI. This may be consolidated before being finally approved.
Kung bibigyan ng kapangyarihan ang ICI na mag-charge, pwede yun, we welcome that. Hindi naman siya bangga doon sa naunang final na ng mga kinatawan sa Kongreso na bigyan pa ng kapangyarihan, contempt and subpoena powers ang ICI. Tingin ko nakukomplement niya yung isa't isa.
Naka-receive na rin kami ng notice from the House Committee on Government Reorganization. In fact, sa Monday, November 3, magkakaroon na nung tinatawag nila, it's in the notice, technical briefing on the House Bill 4453, yung final namin. 13 kami lahat na nag-file niyan. And then we saw there's another bill, this time authored by Representative Toby Tiangco.
For now, the outcome of the ICI's recommendation to file complaints against personalities allegedly involved in anomalous flood control projects lies in the hands of the Ombudsman. That's why the Makabayan Bloc insists,
challenge natin yung Ombudsman na sa pinakakagyat ay ma-file na ang naaayon na kaso, at syempre sa kanyang sariling investigasyon ay maging responsive doon sa iba-iba pang mga anomalya, ebidensya na nakikita po ng mamamayan.
Mela Lismoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.